reduce that body heat here in the heartbeat. They say, oh, you can't spoil a baby. Hold a newborn for a week like that and I try to put him down.
That's how it is. What time did you go to bed? What time did you go to bed?
I think 5 o'clock in the morning.
No, well, she had it early.
I actually had you at 12:30 in Maryland.
You don't know how much you got.
I see the table, I'm blocked.
She has my old phone. Her old phone.
I was hot, so.
How long should I try before I...
You can just stop and if he starts fussing, try it.